Hey dosto, this is Excel, Microsoft Excel. We'll learn some new things. Maybe you know or may not know, but this video will help you. So basically, first, if you go here in Start and type Excel, so you'll find Excel 2016. So I have available Excel 2016. You may have the lesser or more version, whatever it is. So this is the Excel. Now suppose here you can see sheet number 1, so you can additionally create number of sheets. So if you just click here plus 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 plus, then as you want you can create a different sheets. And for the understanding purpose you can rename also. So this is some work. So you can give name of customer, then you can give about this address. This is just example. Like that you can give names to, and so that it will be for your better understanding. Now when this number of sheets are here, then how will you manage? So if you see here, this is the uh, you know click button where you can go towards this up to the right side, and if you click the left click you can come to the sheet 1 2, that is name of customer, address, like that. Also if you click here right click, then you can find whichever sheet you want, you can click and say okay, that sheet will be open here. Also another best option is there, instead of every time clicking here or going there or right click and find out, better is you have an option called control and uh, you know page up, means you can go to the left side, and if you press control page down you can go to the right side. So these are the different ways where you can access these sheets. So with this control page down and page up, you can move the sheets. Okay, control page up you can go to the left, and control page down you can move to the right. And as I said, you can give the say here and a rename. Also you can, if you double click here, with this also you can rename, like this. Double click and you can type. Also you can do many more things, like if suppose you want to hide this particular sheet, then you can hide. And if you want to unhide, then just right click and say unhide, so that sheet number 4 select, and sheet number 4 will you can visible here. So with this way you can manage these different sheets, how to move with different options, how to rename and hide, unhide. Also you can insert sheets, like if you again so this is sheet number, suppose this name sheet is active, if you right click and say insert, so the new sheet you can, this worksheet you can insert, which is to the left of this, and this will become the active worksheet. Also you can from here this delete also, and you can delete and insert options from here also. So there are different various options available. Now as I shown, like how you can hide, then right click again and unhide, and again that appears. The same way you can shift this. Okay, just click it and you can move anywhere. So suppose this sheet 14, if you want in here, click it, so it will appear in between these two. So this way you can move anywhere. Also you have an option called move or copy. So if you select this sheet number 14, and if you select OK, suppose here is now this is active, and if suppose I want to move or copy, and suppose sheet 14, Okay, so this address, that sheet is moved next to this sheet 14. The same way there is a option called uh, create a copy. So this is sheet 5 and create a copy. Okay, then you can see here address 2 is new sheet is created this before this sheet 5. So this is how you can use move and copy. Also you can move and copy in another book also. So right now this Excel is a book 1. So if you create another Excel, open say book 2. So this is book 2. Now if we have here book 1, and if I say move or copy, so I want to move in book 2 this sheet 1. I said okay. So you can see here in a book 2 shift 5 is shifted, and if you go in again here book 1. So right now I will close this one and don't save. So this is how you can use all these options. Now we are at here this home option. Now there are others options like insert, page layout. So under this there are various options are there. So now suppose this is some data. Here is a month. Under this month, actually it is January to December. Don't much bother about data. I just copied it, and these are the years. So for these years and for this month some data is there. This don't much think about this data, just it is for example. So if you go into the view option, and now if you want to see a particular year and for this particular month, then you have to go like this. Then in that case you can't see the particular uh, which month for I'm looking at. Suppose here is the point, then you don't know which one is month here and like that. So also if you scroll down and suppose this particular 345 value for which particular month and particular year, so in that cases there are various options are there. Most popular is a freeze spans. There are other options are also there like this new window. So it will create a already that one is book 1. You can see here this book 1 is to 1 column 1, and it is created book 1 2. So with this you can work, you can take this here, and whatever you do changes here. Suppose I change like something here FGNG, so in book 1 2 also it will change. Okay, so whatever you do the changes, that will come here. So this is that way it is helpful. But better we'll go to the freeze spans option. If you see the freeze first column, then it will, if you click this will freeze the this column. Then if you move right side also, it will be same. So if you want to see this value, you can easily understand, okay, this is for October and 2013 value. The same way, but if you go downside, okay, you can understand this is value for November, but which year you don't know. So in that case you can suppose unfreeze, and you can freeze a row. Then if you go, mm, they have done this for this row, means this first row they have done. So I will delete this one. Okay, and I will show unfreeze pan and freeze row. Then you can see particular this. But what we can do better, uh, suppose you want to see month column also and row also, then for this we will say freeze pans, selecting this cell. So now you can, if you scroll also, this column is also here and row is also here. So if you want to see this value, want to see this value, you will get okay for this April and this particular year. This is how this freeze pans option are very helpful. Also other options are there like split. It will split in a different, that is this up to 16 one part, and another is below another part. But better is we can go with the always with the freeze pans option. Again you can back to the home. So this is how it will works, this freeze pan option.